Hey everyone, and welcome to Group Scout. So, really quick, we're just going to walk through a demo of what Group Scout does and how you can use it to basically go find leads across different platforms like school and Facebook groups. So, what Group Scout is doing is it will go into the different groups that you are a part of, whether that's in Facebook or school, and it will pull them into the system and then allow you to bulk search through all of those groups for certain keywords so that way you can find leads and people that you can go connect with and help you grow your business. So, very simple. First thing when you come in is you're going to come into the system and then you'll see at the top you can choose between Facebook and or school. And so depending on which selection you have, that is the groups that it will go search and also pull in. So let's just start with Facebook here. And you'll see that down below we have Group Manager and Search Manager. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to want to add your groups into the system. So you'll go to Group Manager and you can do add all groups. So this will add all the groups on Facebook that you are actually a part of or in. If you also want to, you can also add groups that you manage. So this would then identify all the groups that you are an admin of, that you help run and manage. Okay, so then you can have a folder for those. Now, once you get all your groups pulled in, you can see I already have a list of groups here. And let's say you want to organize them because maybe you have groups that you're a part of for different things. Well, super simple. You can go ahead and create a folder, and we'll just call this one GHL. Click Add. And now we have a GHL folder. So what we can do now is we can go to our list that has all of our groups we imported. Let's just search GHL groups. So you can see we got a whole bunch of GHL and high level groups right here. And you can pick through and you can select the ones you want, or you can select all. And now what we can do is we can add them to a folder. We'll go ahead and add them to our GHL folder. Hide our list. And now I can see in our GHL folder, we have 28 groups. Now from here, what we would do is once we have our groups put together and our folders and organization taking place, now we can move over to the search manager. Now in the search manager, you can add new searches for different things. So let's say you want to have a search for searching your GHL groups, or maybe you have photography groups, right? Really simple. Just type in the category. If I'm spelling this right, like so, click add. So then we would have a group down here. Then what we want to do is we want to import links from a folder. So I'm just going to go back up to the GHL group here. Actually, well, let me just close that. Photography, we'll do that. And let's go ahead and one sec. Actually, we need a photography folder. Let's do that really fast just to make life easier. Go to my groups, photography, select all, add to folder. Boom. Now I can come back to search. I can go down to my photography search. We're going to import all of our groups from the photography. So now we got all of our groups here. Now what we can do is we can type in a keyword. So I'm just going to type in the keyword websites, or we'll just do website, hit enter. And now what we can do is we can go ahead and click start search. And from here, what it's going to do is it is going to now start searching the groups and finding information that matches our keyword. And so that's what it's going to do now. Once this is done, it will pull back into Group Scout. So we'll go ahead and let this run, and then we'll be right back. Okay, so now that the search is done, we can see that we have a list of entries here. So it found 15 that matched our keyword of websites. And so we can see what group it's in. We can see who the author of the post is. We can see a quick short preview here. We also have a link that we can go visit the post, timestamps, post date, all that good stuff. Now, the beautiful thing is we can click this reply button right here, click show post, and now we can see the post. So we can read it, and then we can reply right here. So we could type our response, hit send, and that will post our response in the comments of this post. Now, the other thing that you can do is you see we do have AI settings down here. So you can use some AI options to help come up with responses. And to use the AI, all you got to do is go to settings. And we have all the different models from ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Gemini, Grok, and Claude. And so all you would do is choose the option you want to use, import your API key, and then you would have the option of the model and then save it. So you have the option to use AI to help with responding to posts as well and leaving comments. So you can do this both in Facebook and in school. School works the exact same way. You come to the group manager, add your groups, put together a search, and then you can see all of the posts within the groups that are matching the keyword that you're looking for. So the other nice thing here also is that you do have search history. So when you're in the search manager, you can pull up a search and you can go to history and you can see the different searches that you've looked for. And all you got to do is click view. And then now you can go back and you can look through your past searches and just see if there's any posts that maybe you still need to leave a comment on or reply to. And again, the whole purpose of this is to allow you to scan through the groups way faster, help you find leads based on keywords from their post that now you can go comment on, start conversations, and take that person and turn them into a lead for your business. So this is a demo of Group Scout. We look forward to seeing you.